So now let us discuss about nervous system of human. This is related to the 8th class. Let us discuss first about introduction. So the nervous system is the control and communication system of the body. System of our body. It helps us to feel, think, move, and also react and learn. Okay. And it also receives information from our surroundings. And it processes and sends messages to body parts, and also it works with help of specialized cells that are known as neurons, that are nothing but nerve cells. Okay, so this is the introduction about this. When it coming to the functioning of nervous system, it controls all body activities. It helps in thinking and also memory. It controls voluntary actions like walking or running or writing and etc. And also it controls involuntary actions, that is heartbeat, breathing, and so on. And also it helps us respond quickly to changes in the environment. Okay, so these are the functioning of the nervous system. Now let us see about types of nerves. There are 3 types. Okay, so the first one is sensory nerves. It carry messages from sense organs. What are sense organs? There are 5 types of sense organs. To the brain and spinal cord. Let us see one example for this. Touching of hot object. When you touch the hot object, our brain says to remove your hand. So this is the sensory nerve. Second is motor nerve means it carries messages from brain or spinal cord to muscles and glands. So for example, when you are going towards the heat, it tells to move away. So brain tells your hand to move away from the heart, from the heat. Okay. And the last one, that is mixed nerves. How can we say that is a mixed nerves? Because it carry both, that is sensory and motor messages. So these are found throughout the body. Next important thing we need to discuss is about central nervous system. In short form, CNS, central nervous system. So in central nervous system, it consists of two parts, that is brain and spinal cord. Okay, when we discuss about the brain, it is protected by skull and it has three main parts mainly, that is cerebrum, second one is cerebellum, and third one is medulla oblongata. Okay, so cerebrum is the largest part in brain, and also it controls intelligence, memory, thinking, what you are thinking, and also learning, voluntary actions. And whereas when it comes to the cerebellum, it control balance, and also it controls posture and coordination. It helps us to walk, run, and jump smoothly. Okay. So it also here it controls voluntary actions like heartbeat, breathing, involuntary actions, breathing, and etc. So next, when we speak about spinal cord, it is long, thin, tube-like structure that is inside backbone. So it connects brain with all body parts. What is the use of the spinal cord? It is used for the reflex actions, and also it carries messages to and from the brain. So next point we need to discuss about is reflex actions. So reflex actions are the quick, these are automatic, and they give immediate response. To the stimuli. So what is meant by the stimulus? It is change in the environment is nothing but the stimulus. For examples, when we discuss examples like pulling hand away from the fire and blinking your eyes, and also knee jerk when when you go to the doctor clinic. So these are some of the examples. So let us see the pathway of the reflex. So let us see the pathway of the reflex arc. First is stimulus, that is respond to environment. Then receptor. Receptors means skin. Next, sensory nerve, and fourth, spinal cord, where it makes decision. Okay, and fifth, motor nerve, then effector. Effectors here nothing but muscles, and seventh is responses. Okay, so the most reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord, not by the brain. So spinal cord plays crucial role in reflex arc. Next we will discuss about sense organs. So how many type of sense organs? There are 5 types. First is eyes. We all know eyes are used to sense of sight. So what are the parts in the eyes? That is cornea, iris, pupil, lens, retina, and optic nerves. And also it detects light, colors, and also shapes. And second, when we speak about ears, what is the use of ears? Sense of hearing. So it has outer ear, middle ear, inner ear, outer ear, it collects the sound. Okay, and middle ear it transfer, and inner ear it sends. Okay, it sends the messages to the body. So it also helps in balancing the body. Okay, next part when we discuss about the sense organs is the nose. So what is the use of nose? Used for sense of smell. So it connects with the taste buds. Fourth is tongue. User for sense of taste. It has taste buds. Here it has connection with the taste buds. Okay. Like it can say how the food is sweet or sour or salty or etc. And fifth, nothing last is skin. So sense of touch. So this is the largest sense organ, and it detects temperature, pressure, pain, and also touch. So this is the final end of the chapter. If you are having any of the doubts in this, once you comment me in the comment box, I could respond to your messages. Okay, thank you.